inverse of a matrix. First definition, singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be singular if determinant of A equal to 0. Suppose the given square matrix means 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrix is singular, determinant equal to 0 is singular matrix. Non-singular matrix, when the determinant is not equal to 0, is non-singular matrix. So square matrix of A is said to be non-singular if determinant of A is not equal to 0. Next definition is very important definition, is an adjoint of matrix. So adjoint A, the formula is A complement transpose. Next definition is inverse of the matrix. Inverse of the matrix, A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So the definition of adjoint A is known as A complement transpose. So this is the formula for computation of inverse. Exercise 1.2, problem number 1. Find the adjoint of the matrix A equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 1, 4 is a 2 rows and 2 columns. So 2 by 2 is a square matrix. 2 by 2 is known as a square matrix. So we have to apply the formula. Find the adjoint of the matrix. So adjoint A equal to A complement transpose is a formula. So the given matrix A equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. First we have to find out the cofactor of this matrix. Formula Aij equal to minus 1 power I plus j into Mij. So the cofactor of the matrix, first we have to compute the minor of the matrix, and then finally we have to calculate the cofactor of this matrix. So first we have to take the minor of M11 is the minor of 2. Minor of 2 is 4. Minor of 2 is 4. Again, minor of first row second column. So first row second column is 3. So minor of 3 is 1. Next, M21 second row first column. The minor of 1 is 3. Okay. Next one, M22 second row second column is 4. The minor of 4 is 2. So the value is 2. So these are, we have to compute the 4 minus. Next we have to calculate the cofactor of the matrix. Straight away applying the formula A11, Aij formula. So A11 equal to minus 1 power I plus j. So 1 plus 1 M11. So minus 1 square into M11 value is 4. So minus 1 square is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. Again cofactor of A12 is minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into M12. Minus 1 cube into the minor value is 1. So minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 2 plus is minus 1. Cofactor of A21 minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into M21. So minus 1 whole cube into minor value is 3. So minus 1 whole cube is minus into 3 is minus 3. Next one, in the cofactor of A22 can be taken as minus 1 power 2 plus 2 M22. So minus 1 power 4 into minor value is 2. So minus 1 power 4 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. So this is the A complement value. So the A complement value can be taken as AC can be taken as first value, complement value is first cofactor value is 4. Next one is minus 1, again minus 3 and 2. So we have to arrange all the values. So the cofactor of A11 is 4, A12 is minus 1, A21 is minus 3, and A22 is minus 2. So this is A complement. So the adjoint A, the formula, adjoint A formula is A complement transpose. So we have to compute the transpose of this matrix. So 2, 4, minus 1, minus 3, 2. So all the row can be changed into column. So 4, minus 1, row can be changed into column, and minus 3, 2, again row can be changed into column. This is the transpose of the matrix. So adjoint A equal to A complement transpose. Hence the problem. Problem number 1 is over. Again move to problem number 2. If A equal to 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4, then verify that A into adjoint A equal to determinant of A into I, and also find A inverse. So first we have to satisfy this property and then find out A inverse. Given problem is 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. So this is the square matrix of order 3 by 3. First formula, adjoint A equal to A complement transpose. Cofactor formula is Aij equal to minus 1 power I plus j into Mij. So first we have to compute the minor of this matrix. First we have to take M11 is we have to leave it the corresponding row and corresponding column. So remaining values are minor of 1 is 4, 3, 3, 4. So cross multiply 4 into 4 is 16, minus 9 equal to 7. M12 first row second column is remaining values are 1, 3, 1, 4. Cross multiply 1 into 4 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. Again M13 can be taken as minor of 3 is 1, 4, 1, 3. Cross calculation 3, 1 into 3 is 3, minus 4 is minus 1. And minor of second row first column is minor of 1 is 3, 3. 3, 4. So 3 into 4 is 12, minus 9 equal to 3. M22 minor of 4 is 1, 3, 1, 4. Cross multiply 1 into 4, 4 minus 3 equal to 1. M23 is the minor of 3 is 1, 3, 1, 3. Cross multiply 3 minus 3 equal to 0. M31 minor of 1 is 3 into 3 is 9, minus 12 equal to minus 3. Third row second column M32 minor of 3 is 1, 3, 1, 3. Cross multiply 3 minus 3 is 0. M33 minor of 4 is 1, 3, 1, 4. Cross multiply 4 minus 3 is 1. So these are all the minor values. Again after that we have to calculate the cofactor of the 3 by 3 matrix. Cofactor of A11 formula is minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into M11. Minus 1 square into M11 value is already known. The minor values, corresponding minor value is 7. So minus 1 whole square is plus 1. 1 into 7 is 7. Cofactor of A12 minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into M12 minus 1 whole cube. And M12 value is 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Again cofactor of A13 equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 3 into M13. So minus 1 power 4 into minus 1. Minus 1 power 4 is plus 1. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. The cofactor of A21 equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into M21 minus 1 cube into 3 is minus 3. Cofactor of A22 minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into M22 minus 1 power 4 into 1 minus 1 power 4 is 1. So value is 1. Cofactor of A23 minus 1 power 2 plus 3 into M23 minus 1 power 5 into M23 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Cofactor of A31 minus 1 power 3 plus 1 M31 minus 1 power 4 into corresponding value is minus 3. So this one is plus. So 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Cofactor of A32 is minus 1 power 3 plus 2 into M32 minus 1 power 5 into M32. So minus 1 power 5 into M32 value is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Cofactor of A33 equal to minus 1 power 3 plus 3 into M33 minus 1 power 6 into 1. Minus 1 power 6 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So the adjoint A equal to formula is A complement transpose. So A complement is already known. The cofactor values are 7, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, 1, 0, minus 3, 0, 1. These are all the cofactor values. And then compute the transpose of the cofactor values. So the transpose values, the transpose can be taken as all the row can be changed into column. So 7 minus 1 can be taken in column, minus 3 1 0 is taken in column, and minus 3 0 1 is taken in column. So this is the result of adjoint of A. The left hand side of the problem is A into adjoint A. So already adjoint A is already known. This is the adjoint matrix. This matrix is multiplying by the given problem is A. So the given problem is 1 3 3, 1 4 3, 1 3 4. So all the multiplying throughout by these two matrices. So the matrix multiplication, first row is multiplying by first column. So 1 into 7, 7. Again minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Again first row second column is 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 0 is 0. First row third column, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 3 into 0 is 0, and 3 into 1 is 3. First row is over. Second row is multiplying by first column. 1 into 7 is 7, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Again 1 into again second value. So 1 into minus 1, you have to take the second value. So 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Again 4 into 1 is 4, and 3 into 0 is 0. Again 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, and 4 into 0 is 0, and 3 into 1 is 3. Third row is multiplying by first column. 1 into 7 is 7, and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, and 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 3 into 1 is 3, and 4 into 0 is 0. Next one is 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 3 into 0 is 0, 4 into 1 is 4. So we have to reduce all the values. 7 minus 6 1, minus 3 plus 3 0, minus 3 plus 3 0, 7 minus 7 0, minus 3 plus 4 1, this one is 0. Again 7 minus 7 is 0, minus 3 plus 3 0, minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So this is the identity matrix. So the same result can be obtained in right hand side of this given property. So determinant of RHS result is determinant of A into I. So first we have to compute the determinant of this given matrix 1 3 3, 1 4 3, 1 3 4. Determinant of the matrix can be taken as 1. We take 1, leave it the corresponding row and corresponding row and corresponding column. 4 into 4 is 16, minus 9, minus 3. Again 1 into 4 is 4, 1 into 3 is minus 3, plus 3 into 1 into 3 is 3, and minus 4. 16 minus 9 is 7, minus 3 into 1, plus 3 into minus 1. So 1 into 7 is 7, minus 3, minus 3. So the result is 7 minus 6 is 1. So the determinant of A value is, determinant of A value is 1. This can be multiplying by I. I is a unit matrix of order 3. So the unit matrix can be taken as determinant A is 1. The unit matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this matrix is multiplying by 1 means same value. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this result is proved. Then we have to find out A inverse value. A inverse equal to formula 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A is 1. So adjoint A is already known. Adjoint value is 7 minus 3 minus 3, minus 1 1 0, minus 1 0 1. So this value is multiplying by 1. We will obtain the same value. So A inverse equal to 7 minus 3 minus 3, minus 1 1 0, minus 1 0 1. So this is the A inverse of this matrix.